Hello friends, welcome to Estimation Costing Training Program. Today we learn how to scale an AutoCAD drawing. This is an unscaled AutoCAD drawing. We required a 3.03 meter width instead of 6 meter. In modify, this is a scale option. Shortcut for scale is the type as a SC. Enter. Enter. Read bottom information. Scale. Select objects. Enter. Select specific base point. Scale specify scale factor or copy reference type R. Scale specify reference length. Select this point. Scale specify reference length. Specify second point. Second point is scale specify new length is the 3.03. Yes, we get it here. Scale drawing. Thank you for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.